guys, it's Tammy, and I am opening a box from Red Rose. This is that tea company that I have done reviews on before and I love. And they had two new flavors that I had to try. And then I also had to get my Standby Earl Grey. My husband loves this, and the price at Red Rose is incredible. So if you go to, I think it's just redrose.com. So these are $4.29 each, and there's 50 tea bags in each, which may sound like a lot if you're used to having like Lipton tea or whatever, but Earl Grey is a little more pricey anyway, and this is a really good Earl Grey. And then I got two others, and these are $4 each, and there are only 18 tea bags in each of these, but look at these scents. Peach cobbler and pumpkin pie. Oh my word. So these are part of the Sweet Temptations. I have done a review on them before with different flavors. They have blueberry cobbler, lemon cake, strawberry cheesecake, and caramel apple. Oh my gosh. They're all fabulous. Like seriously, I love all of them. I don't even know which one my favorite is. It depends on the day. Sometimes the blueberry is my favorite, sometimes the lemon, sometimes the caramel apple. The strawberry cheesecake is probably not my favorite usually, so I guess that's my least favorite. But the other ones, I mean, but they're all good, and the strawberry cheesecake is fabulous. But I am really excited to try these two. I think that these will be really good, and I will probably have a cup and then come back and show you guys, or tell you guys what I think. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Okay guys, I have my pumpkin pie tea. It smells amazing. It's really, really hot though, so bear with me. Oh my gosh. You don't need to add any sugar or anything to it. It is so good. Oh my gosh. So that's my first couple of sips, and it's still really warm, but I will tell you right now that this is going to be a new favorite. I'm going to have to order another box already because it is amazing. And yeah, I only got 18. Should have known better, but I didn't know. But actually shipping from Red Rose is really inexpensive as well. I think I spent like less than 20 bucks on everything, the 2 boxes of Earl Grey and the 2 flavored teas. And I just love a good cup of tea. Oh my gosh. It has all of the flavors of pumpkin pie. The scent is a little bit clovey, spicy, pumpkin pie spicy, a little more spice than it is the pie, but the taste is definitely the pie. I don't know how they do it. You gotta get some. It's yummy. Now that it's cooler and easier to drink, it's still delicious. I'm not sure where to look. I'm holding this with my left hand, so it's weird. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is really, truly good. I can't wait to try the peach one, but I don't know. I think I'm going to like the pumpkin one better. That's my initial thoughts. I don't know how they do it. It's amazing. Good. Have a good day, guys.